You know what happened when you come to Little Corn Island? You have to dress well. Flip-flop and short and a t-shirt and ready to jump into the Caribbean city. Oh yes, we are going to look at 1.4 acres, 1,470 square feet, 3 bedrooms, a bathrooms, open kitchen and dining area, and to a beautiful Caribbean beach house. Oh yes, it's for sale, and you can find it in all the social media. So you and I and 𝗙𝗏, who's behind the camera, we're going to explore and see what it comes with it. And this is for sale right now. Come on. So, you know what? When you come to see a house on the Caribbean, you want to taste the real deal. You want to feel the experience to have an authentic design home with this kind of bungalow. It reminds me a little bit like the tiki hut style with this shape of the roof. And then with 1,470 square feet, you would not believe how much you can fit in. For instance, look at this open concept with the sala, your own desk right here, and then the kitchen, sharing the space with this table side. And actually everything is done in the way that is functional and easy to use, especially when you have an Airbnb or other kind of rental program. These kind of houses are very welcome because people demand something real like this one, made of entire wood. It's fantastic. I like the feeling of it, you know, like it's the old school style, but it still keep that vibe of the tropical on the Caribbean Sea. What do we have here? We have the main sala with the kitchen, and on each side I have a loft and another loft over there, which is really cool. And then go through here, we have the only one bathroom, right? It's a full bathroom, and then stairs that will take me straight to the other loft that is slightly bigger than the first one. And then I will say this is the main room. Let's go and look at it. Right away, if this is my uniform for every day, I take it. Flip-flop and just relax. Anyway, guys, look at this. Good size room, windows and side tables. And right here, they have all the electrical system. I will cover it. If you rented it, if you buy this place, I will cover it, definitely. So open these windows right away. You have a cross ventilation. And look at this. You just close your door, close the other door, and that's it. There you go, your main room, which is good enough. I like it because it's not crowded or a lot of stuff. It feels simple and easy. And this is what it looks like, the second floor level with all these beams and your closet. Very simple and easy. Now, walking through here, you got this other door that will take you to the laundry area where, let's see, look at what I found. Good enough for a size washer and dryer. And right here, they already have the water heater system, which is run by a propane tank. Right here, this one. Can you get a bigger one? Yes, you can. But remember, you are in an island, so every time you are doing a plan about bring stuff, be sure to do it at once and organize your trip with the local people, because it's not that easy. It takes time. But you know what? That's the price to have a beautiful piece of paradise right on the Caribbean side. So remember that part of it, okay? So anyway, guys, look at this. Double system to filter the water. And the water comes from a local well, which is good. Power also. And remember, they cut off the power during 8 o'clock at 1 p.m. and then it's okay. So anyway, that's plenty of room for your laundry and all your utility things. And also for your linens, you have more space. And look at what I just found. It's amazing how much things you can put in 1,400 square feet. Extra room for your storage. Everything stayed And actually, I talked to the owner, and she said, Carlos, if somebody buy the property and they're thinking to put it on the rental market, the house is ready to go. It has everything, all the basic you need. Appliances, or linens and towels, towels and pillows, everything you needed for the rental. And then if you want to close the whole house, and look at this, a nice small balcony or porch. I will say it's a porch. 2 chairs, round table with these nice features with this wood feeling and the roof. It definitely reminds me one of those old school, homes on the country. And this is definitely, it's a nice vibe. It's like those classic houses right on the classic Caribbean Sea with your tea or your coffee or your glass of wine. I would take glass of wine and coffee. Anyway, guys, look at this, beautiful. So we have so much land here that is about 1.4 acres. Yes, so it's huge. So behind the property, the land is still continue going and going. And guess one more thing, the owner told me because you have extra land behind, it's not touchable. Nobody can build anything. So you never gonna have any neighborhood behind you. Only the house is right on the first line of the beach side because they protect the area. Because the mangroves on the behind provides the water to the island. So by law, nobody can build next door, which is a big plus. Anyhow, let me tell you another tip. If you buy this property, you can also make it grow with more units. How come? Let me show you. Okay guys, so before to do one more thing, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪, who's behind the camera. She's been working very hard to come with us and film and explore all these things, all these new properties. So, but before to forget, I was talking to the owner and she said, Carlos, I want to show you something that I think is very important to remark. Very few properties here, they're going to have this line here, which represent a retaining wall, which is a great feature. She told me that they dig down very deeply and built a retaining wall with this extra protection here, which is, I can tell, is a very strong PVC, fill it out with concrete. That's a huge plus. Because you know what, you are on the ocean, it's the Caribbean Sea, and obviously high tide can come here and hit the water, hit the land. And evidently you want to have an extra protection for your investments. That is one of those. So thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for making this channel grow every day. And don't forget to subscribe. And remember, we're going to have this property very soon in all the social media. If you love the ocean, if you love the Caribbean in Nicaragua at Little Corn Island, this is definitely a new listing that is in the market for $295,000. A beautiful home with 1.4 acres of land with an extra home with 1,470 square feet. So don't forget to subscribe. Here's my telephone number and my email. And thank you. And don't forget, I want to see you at the next adventure. So before to go crazy,